What it do, people? Keith Moore Jr. here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to build a strong back with pull-ups. But before I get started, I need everyone to destroy that like button. It helps the channel to grow by getting the video out to more people. So let's get right into it. So I am going to be showing you all a current picture of my back, and I'm going to be talking about the type of training that I've been doing in order to build a stronger back. So I have been doing a lot of pull-ups. That is really the primary movement that I have been doing for my back. Now I do switch up my hand placement, but primarily I like to focus on having a wide grip, and I progress with this movement. So I may start off with body weight, and then I will add a 45-pound plate. And then if I'm doing a strength/intensity type workout, I'll add another 45-pound plate to where I have two 45-pound plates. I'm doing pull-ups with that. But the goal for me each week is to apply progressive overload. So I'm either going to increase the number of reps, increase the number of sets, or increase the weight. Now, increasing the reps, it doesn't have to be by like 5 reps or anything like that. I may increase the reps by just 1 rep, but it's still 1 more rep than I did in the previous week's workout. And right now I do pull-ups anywhere between 3 to 5 times per week. So sometimes even on my rest days, I may go to the gym, do some light cardio just to warm up, and then do some pull-ups. And I can honestly say that my back has shown tremendous improvements since incorporating pull-ups into my routine on a regular. Now, this is an exercise that I did not like in the past. I would do stuff like lat pull downs, bent over barbell rows, and not really do pull-ups all that often. And I was pretty much cheating myself because the results that I have been getting from pull-ups have been very fast, and it just gives me a great pump overall, and it helps me with my strength and other lifts as well. So I just want to make a quick video about that. I'm going to show you all some clips now of just 3 sets of my pull-ups that I did at the gym today. As you all will see in the clips, I started with just body weight. Then I did 2 more sets with the 45-pound plate. So I highly recommend that you incorporate pull-ups into your routine to build up your back. Now, if you cannot do a pull-up without assistance, then it is okay to use the machine in your gym if you have one. If you don't, have someone assist you by just putting their hands under you and assisting you up on a pull-up, where they're, just guiding you, holding your feet and helping you do a pull-up, and just progress with that over time until you're able to do a pull-up without assistance. We all have to start from somewhere, so don't worry if you can only do 1 pull-up or if you can't do any without assistance. You will get better over time, but you have to put the reps in. Alright, so enjoy the clips that I'm about to show, and then also subscribe to my channel. And once again, please like the video and enjoy the clips.